The first step to working with AnyPortrait is to set up a scene. First, we will use the color of the image as it is, so delete the light. Next, change camera settings. Set orthographic and adjust the clipping plane value. It is recommended that you modify the far value to be less than 500. Open the lighting option and change the ambient color to black. We turned off the skybox in this tutorial. Press Window, AnyPortrait, and 2D Editor to launch AnyPortrait. Press the Make New Portrait button to make a new apPortrait. apPortrait is the class type that is the unit of work for AnyPortrait. Name and create a character. This is the basic UI of AnyPortrait. At the top of the screen are the Setting and Bake buttons. You can change various settings in the Setting dialog box. Using the Bake function of the Bake dialog, you can export your work to a scene.